ang buto. Mag-caltrate. Mix mo, one moment, one Nescafe, one title. Ako po si Demokrasya EDSA Revolution. My friends call me Cory. I'm 25 years old from People's Power. Ako ang babaeng sagisag ng pagkakaisa. Minsan ko nasaksihan ang yamat ganda ng kalikasan. Nakita ko na rin ang pagsira nito. Nakikita ko sa mga mata na puno ng pag-asa. Nadama ko sa mga pusong nawalan ng pag-asa. Kung tao ang dahilan sa pagwasak ng mundo, tao rin ang sasagip at muling bubuo nito. Sama-sama natin iligtas ang mundo. Dahil na sa inyong mga kamay ang pag-asa sa buhay. Ang lahat ng problema, Mariko, kayang-kaya. Kaya dito ka sa lahat ng kakampi mo. Dito ka sa lahat na palaging panalo. Astig ka sa Republika ng TF. Astig tayo sa Republika ng TF. Astig ka sa text at call messages sa lahat ng networks. Tayo na sa Republika ng Pilipinas. Astig tayo. Astig!
Nature can live without human, but human can live without nature. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Kelly Minelli, 19 years old, the Helen from Days, representing the beautiful island of St. Lucia. Thank you and good evening.
Miss Lopelia.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Narito po ang pinakamasarap sa lahat ng kandidata. Walang iba kundi si Masarap Heroin. Uy, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda ni Slovenia. Gusto ko sabihin sa lahat na take it slow, Slovenia.
Miss South Africa.
Hello, good evening everybody. My name is Angel's Burger. Okay, buy one, take one, yourself. From the Rainbow Nation, South Africa. Thank you very much.
Miss Switzerland.
According to great philosopher Aristotle, that a man by nature is good, so prove us, be good to the nature. Glorious evening, ladies and gentlemen. I stand in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner and representing from Switzerland. Thank you.
Miss Trinidad and Tobago.
A glorious evening to each and everybody. Cogito ergo sum, or should I say, I exist, therefore I am. Reasons can be applied in every sphere of human affairs, in life, in humanity, as well as in sexuality. Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, standing before you is no other than Miss Yuki Ann Montealegre, who hails all the way from the global city of the Philippines, Taguig City. And proud to be a teacher soon, I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. And I am proud to represent from the land of Limbo and Calypso, Trinidad and Tobago.
Miss United Kingdom.
To be what you are and to become what you're capable of becoming is the secret of a happy life. Different desire, different faculties, just be yourself. Standing before your eye is a 90-year-old stunner, all the way from the tiger capital of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. My name is Ivy Sitanco Suarez, and I am proud to represent from the land where kingdom unite. United Kingdom. Relax and see the difference. Again, this is Ivy Sitanco Suarez saying, let us nurture our nature because this is our future. Enjoy the show.
Miss US Virgin Islands.
Race not, beat the hate, fight global warming. My name is Virgin Pares, in Tagalog, Virginia Kagubatan, and I came from the land of beauty and courage, the US Virgin Island. By the way, I'm the only virgin left in that island. Thank you.
Miss Venezuela.
We are sitting on our blessed Mother Earth, from which we get our strength and determination, love and humility, and all the beautiful attributes that we've given. So let's turn to one another, love one another, respect one another, respect Mother Earth, respect the others, because that's life itself. Hola damas y caballeros, una buenas noches a todos. Or should I say hello and mabuhay. A glorious evening to each and everyone. The Fahrenheit Clubbers and our distinguished board of judges comes to po kayo. My name is Francesca Ceron E. Parker. I'm 24-year-old stunner and I'm proud and delighted to represent from the gateway of South America, Venezuela. Thank you.
Miss Zambia.
If a diamond cannot be polished without a friction, then a man cannot be perfect without a trial. Nanimbag na gabi ka na kayo amin, or should I say, a blessed evening to each and every one of you. My name is Precious Samantha Montealegre, a 20-year-old stunner, all the way from the Babica capital of the Philippines, and that is Cainta Rizal. But tonight, I'm very proud to represent for the beautiful country of Zambia.
Miss Zimbabwe.
Hindi mahalaga kung mukha akong Diyosa. Hindi mahalaga kung mukha silang mangkukulam. Ang mahalaga ay may Diyos kang kasama at kaibigan Diyosa. My name is Iya Santillan, but you can call me Patty sa umaga, Patio sa umaga, Pabona sa gabi. Okay, and I'm very proud to represent from the Jewel of Africa, Zimbabwe. At bago ko pulisanin ang apat na sulok ng tembladong ito, nais kong iwan ang katagang, bakit ka pa kailangan mag-ibang bansa kung sa Avon may asenso naman? Dati, wala akong kotse. Nung nag-Avon ako, Nagkakotse ako, ngunit ako ang kinakabayuan dahil botomesa daw ako. Salamat po.
Ayan. Isang makamundong gabi po sa inyong lahat. Tonight we pay homage to our Mother Earth, and the time has come for all of us to unite as one in protecting Mother Earth. And this is the main message of Miss Earth Fahrenheit. And let us all thank our delegates for taking part